P3 also, right?
P3,
No,
yes.
no prompt P3.
Yeah. So, I mean, what we can do, this we have done for second stage. Before we go for break, we can see all high pressure and we can make this one, right?
Yeah.
For what we have seen for high pressure, what we have done? For high
No,
pressure, we have seen for high pressure.
high
We have
pressure,
seen.
we said it is, yeah, this is already
Medium.
this is already
Medium.
P1. Whatever we did yesterday, Chairman, mostly a
Yeah.
P1 anyway.
Yes. No, no, but we have done today in morning one. So we have to go that we have to check it.
In fact,
Today
what
morning
you
we
need,
did.
yeah, in fact,
Today
what you need,
morning. Today morning we did 4 feet heater, no?
yes, crude heater. We don't have any P1 there because this is only temperature here.
Pressure,
There's
yes.
no pressure here, and in temperature we have enough time.
Okay. So today what we did? Today we started with heater, right?
We started the first stage separator actually pressure. Can you go first stage separator?
Yes. First stage.
Yeah. We started the pressure for the first stage separator.
Yeah.
So PAH here.
Yeah. Yeah. So here.
PAH, not the PSHA. The next one below.
Even both we have to make it. Yeah, correct. This would be P1.
This is right now P2, right?
It should be P1. This should be medium and immediate. Medium and immediate is what?